Hello everyone and welcome to another video in my Ubuntu video series. And in this video I'm going to talk about how you can install Tomcat on your Ubuntu operating system. So let's begin. So the first thing that you would want to check is that you have Java installed, and you can do that by doing java-version. And you can see that I have Java 9 installed on my operating system. And if you don't know how to install it, then you can visit another one of my videos which has in detail instructions on how to do that. Tomcat is available in the Ubuntu repositories, so I'm just going to do sudo apt-get install Tomcat 8. So I'm going to install Tomcat 8 here, and I'm also going to install Tomcat admin. This admin will allow me to manage Tomcat using a web interface. Gonna say yes. And there I have my Tomcat installed. So by default, Tomcat is installed on port 8080, and we can actually access the web interface. So I installed Tomcat 8 admin, which is the web interface for Tomcat, and all I need to do is go into the browser and just type http://localhost:8080. And this will take me to the local Tomcat installation, and as you can see, it's installed there, and I can access the admin interface by going to the Manager application. Now it's asking me for the authentication details here, and let's go in and configure this authentication in the Tomcat configuration file. So Tomcat is usually installed under var lib and Tomcat 8 in this instance, because I installed Tomcat 8. And if you go into the conf folder, the configuration file will actually be present over there. So what I need to do is I need to modify the Tomcat users file. So I'm going to do sudo nano tomcat users.xml. And if you look at this file and you come down, you will see that so usually this section is commented out over here. But what you need to do here is, in order to get the authentication for the GUI working, you just need to add another role here. You say role, and then role name is going to be Manager GUI. And the other thing you need to do is, in the username Tomcat, password, you need to set the password here. So let's just set the password as Tomcat in my instance. And in the roles, you need to add the Tomcat, add the Manager GUI role. So I'm just going to do a comma and then Manager GUI. And once you configure the password, you also need to make sure that you change the password of the second user, because it will find these brackets here and it will fail to start correctly. So I'm going to just change the password for that as well to Tomcat, and then save the file. And once that is done, I can return back to my Manager web app. And here you can see that I have my Manager web app available. So I hope this video is helpful to you, and thank you very much for watching my video.